Welcome to the Richard Meroving universe, where boundless adventure begins. Brought to you by TechLogic Corporation.
From the tech hubs of Innova to every sector in Nemedon, this is the Viz device.
Engineered by Technology Corporation for Level 5 civilizations and trusted by Melkor agents quadrant-wide.
The Viz device, standard issue for those who protect the quadrant.
Now, back to the RMU.
Welcome to Episode 5. I'm Nova Vanden, Chief of Operations for Melkor Satania. Our guests on the RMU Online include Gabriel of Salvington, Earth-based Seraphim Manotia, our own Texas Ranger and great friend. Also with us is the Sovereign of Nebadon, Christ Michael, to share his insights into how the universe is more amazing than we can imagine in our wildest imagination.
Son, what have you been eating? Because, wow, have grown since I last saw you. That's a good question. I eat what everybody else eats, power bars and a flame chaser. Food of the gods, apparently.
My goodness, I am in handsome company. Speaking of which, has anyone seen Neil?
Oh, he had to head back to the archive. Seems they can't find where he put something important. I guess it's all very archival. Way to go, hotshot. You just invited her to give you a beating. Where is Richard? I thought he was with you. Weren't you both on your imagination planet driving the powerful Mach 5? Dad, did you leave him somewhere?
Told you it'd work! You do know the big M on the hood is not for Michael, right?
The Richard Meroving universe, a vast, expansive place where God is king and you and I are his children. But it's not your mom and daddy's religion. Based on the mysterious Urantia book, the RMU is mind-blowing, spiritually uplifting, and genuinely exciting entertainment that is not soon forgotten. Visit richardmeroving.com for more.
Help! Michael! I went down a rabbit hole, now I'm dinner! Michael! Mike!